Northway. Northway is meant to be in the 1970s in terms of the time era, but you might have noticed I like to run some of the even older locomotives of yesteryear. Robert Burns would have been around in the 70s, very appropriate to the era of Northway, and looks just the part there underneath the wires. The overhead wires, which actually took a lot of constructing, especially these gantries, which each had to be made from a kit. Slightly before the 70s because it's in electric blue livery. Next to Robert Burns we have E3058, which is a class 85. They would have appeared in that colour up until the mid-60s, when the corporate blue started to take over. Well, I've made over 100 videos now, and I've noticed that those featuring the electric locos are a lot more popular than those featuring the steam locos. But I mean, these steam locos, they're marvellous machines, aren't they? Marvellous machines, and so elegant in their construction. So we're looking at here one of the Royal Scot locomotives, 6106 Gordon Highlander, and these would have been on the West Coast Main Line in the 1920s. Well, there wouldn't have been any overhead wires, and there wouldn't have been any colour light signals, so maybe that's why they look a little bit out of place when I'm running them. This is one of the reasons I'm building S-Bay. We can get it looking a little bit more period accurate. But I'd love to know why these steam locos are so, well, I wouldn't say unpopular, but not as popular. I mean, a video featuring steam locos, I might get 40 views. A video featuring Robert Burns gets hundreds of views. There's Duchess of Rutland, another steam icon of the West Coast Main Line, but again underneath the wires, looking a little bit out of place. But you know what? I'm going to run them anyway. Waiting in platform 2 here we have a train, a rake of Stanier Crimson Cream coaches, LMS coaches that were repainted into the British Railways colours, and we're going to send Duchess of Rutland down to connect up with these. Well, look at that. Steam is going to be hard to beat, isn't it? Well, you'll have to watch part 2 to see the electrics.